Hello, friends. It's time to sing and learn about elephants today. Can you see the big gray animals? That's right. They're elephants. Elephants are so big and strong, but they're also very gentle. Some elephants live in Africa, where it's hot and dry. Others live in Asia, where there are lots of trees and grass. Wow, elephants love to eat yummy things all day long. They munch on grass with their big feet. Stomp, stomp. They reach up high with their long trunks to grab leaves from trees. Stretch, stretch. And they love to eat juicy fruits, too. Slurp, slurp. Can you pretend to be an elephant eating? Yay, you're doing great! Now let's learn some fun things about elephants. Did you know elephants have long noses called trunks? They're so clever. Elephants use their trunks to drink water, pick up food, and even give elephant hugs. Elephants also love to play with their friends and family. They're very social animals. They splash in water and give each other mud baths to stay cool. Splish, splash. Can you make a splashing sound? Great job. Elephants have big floppy ears too. They flap them to keep cool and to hear really well. Flap, flap. Let's all wave goodbye to our elephant friends.